Hello friends, vegetables name in English and Urdu. Spinach. Friends, spinach. This is a spinach. Spinach means palak. Garlic. This is a garlic. Garlic means lesson. Carrot. This is a carrot. Carrot means gajar. Bitter gourd. This is a bitter gourd. Bitter gourd means karela. Ginger. This is a ginger. Ginger means adrak. Please friends, like these videos. Zucchini. Zucchini. Zucchini means turi. Luffa. This is a luffa. Luffa means ghiya turi. Onion. This is an onion. Onion means pyaz. Potato. Potato means aloo. Next one is yam. Yam means kachalu. This is a yam. Broccoli. Broccoli means shah gobi. This is a broccoli. And mushroom. Mushroom means kumbi. Please friends, subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. This is a mushroom. The next one is cauliflower. Cauliflower means phool gobi. Cauliflower means phool gobi. This is a cauliflower. The next one is beetroot. Beetroot means chikandar, and this is a chikandar. This is a chikandar. The next one is cabbage. Cabbage means band gobi. This is a cabbage. Next, coriander. Coriander means dhania. Please friends, like this video. Next one is turnip. Turnip, this is a turnip. Turnip means shalgam. The next one is brinjal. This is a brinjal. Brinjal means bengan. The next one is bean. This is a bean. Bean means lubia. Mint. Mint means pudina. This is a mint. Peas. Peas mean matar. This is a peas. Sweet potato. Sweet potato means shakar kandi. This is a sweet potato. Capsicum. Capsicum means shimla mirch. This is a capsicum. Green chilli. Green chilli means sabz mirch. This is a green chilli. Red chili. Red chili means surkh mirch. This is a red chili. Corn, makki. This is a corn. Tomato. Tomato means tomato. This is a tomato. Cucumber. Cucumber means kheera. This is a cucumber. Radish. Radish means मूली. This is a radish. सब्सक्राइब करने का तरीका ये है ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको बर वक्त मिल सके। सब्सक्राइब करने का तरीका ये है कि आपको ये सब्सक्राइब का बटन नज़र आ रहा होगा, आपने इस पर क्लिक कर लेना है। जैसे आप इस पर क्लिक कर लोगे तो उसके साथ जो लगा हुआ बेल का आइकन है ये आप देख सकते हैं। इस बेल के आइकन पे क्लिक कर लें और यहाँ पे 3 ऑप्शन आ गए। सबसे ऊपर वाले ऑल वाले ऑप्शन पे क्लिक कर लें तो आपके पास ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब भी हो गया है और आपको बर वक्त नोटिफिकेशन भी मिलेगा जैसे ही वीडियो अपलोड होगी।